Hey VideoStar users! In this lesson we'll learn how to make this glitch effect and transition on VideoStar for free. First we'll create the glitch overlay and then we'll learn how to use it. Let's begin. After importing a video, go to multi-layer and add a green layer. I'll choose this mask. Next, move it a little bit down so the lines are centered. Make sure the background color is white. Now play around with a smear in ReEffect to make the green lines look wavy and random. When finished, tap either ReEffect or Quick Effects. Quick Effects applies the effect directly. After that, add some glass noise effect to it. Next, use the wiggle effect and slide the slider all the way to the right. Finally, select the Extrude Edge effect and choose the left-right option. Move the slider up and down fast. It's easier if the video is set to half speed, like this. Here is our glitch overlay. Now we'll give our video a glitchy look with the following effects: the horizontal, vertical option of wiggle, jerky, and the colored version of a screen noise. Let's use a clip mixer for the last step. What I want to do here is replace the white part of the overlay with the unedited video and the green part with a glitchy looking video. To do this, select Overlay in Amazing Multi-Panel Mixer. Place the unedited video, then the overlay, and get rid of the white like this. Use this slider for more precision. After creating this clip, you'll want to use it along with the glitchy looking video. But we'll need to get rid of the green in this case. This is what the glitch looks like. Now that you know how to create a glitch effect, you can use it in transitions as well. To create the transition, add the glitch effect to the second part of the transition first. On the first scene, go to Mix and select the Shape Samples effect in the Shape Shifting Transitions pack. Add the original clip to Clip 1 and the glitchy clip to Clip 2. Clear the existing transitions and place one at the end instead. Follow the same steps at the beginning of the next scene, but set the glitchy clip as the first clip instead. If you add a shake to the transition, it will look even better. To learn more about shakes, check out the previous lesson. Well, I hope this lesson was useful. Overlaying the clip mixer is a great tool for VideoStar free users because you can make so many cool effects all for free. The final result of the glitch differs depending on the settings used, and I'd love to see what you come up with. But don't worry, because I will leave the overlay I made in the content section of the lesson, so you can practice with it if you want to. But whatever glitch you make, I'd love to check it out, so please don't forget to use our hashtag if you post it on Instagram or TikTok, so I can take a look. So we've reached the end of the lesson, and almost the end of the course. But stay tuned for one last assignment, and I will see you in the final lesson of the course. Bye!